morning, Kasturians. Hope you are doing fine. We have studied replication and the semi-conservative nature of replication. Now we are going to study what is transcription. Transcription is the formation of RNA from the synthesized DNA, which we have synthesized during replication. So, what transcription is? Transcription is the method of copying genetic information from one strand of DNA into single stranded RNA. DNA is a complex form, so it is converted into a simpler form, which is RNA. Depending upon the principle of complementary, as we know, C binds with G with triple bond and A binds with U. Instead of thymine, we have uracil in RNA strand. Only a segment of DNA and only one segment of DNA is copied into RNA. So it is necessary to define the region of the DNA that should be transcribed. That means that the region that should be converted to RNA. As we know that DNA has two strands, but the both of the strands cannot be transcribed into RNA because it has some reasons, and the reasons are, if both the strands act as template and they both start transcribing, then they'll produce two RNA, and which will be two different RNA molecule with different sequence. Of course, complementary but still different. They will code for two different protein. Since the amino acid of the both RNA transcribed are different, and one segment of DNA will code for two different protein. So it is a quite complicated process of complicate genetic information providing. So this is not done. Only one strand of the DNA is required while conversion it into RNA. Also, two RNA molecules produce simultaneously complementary to each other double-stranded RNA. This prevents the RNA translation to protein. After transcription, we have to study translation, that how this RNA gets converted into protein. So in transcription, we have a transcription unit. Let me zoom it for you. Okay, this is a transcription unit in which we have two strands. One is the template strand, which is seen here in blue, and the other is the coding strand. This is also known as nonsense strand because the RNA which will be transcribed will be only according to the template strand. Okay, the template strand has structural gene in it, and before structural gene we have a promoter region where the RNA polymerase bind and starts the transcription, and after the transcription is done over the template strand, we do have a terminator region where the rho factor comes and bind, and the produced RNA strand is detached from here. So this is the transcription unit. As we all know that transcription is the first step of gene expression in which a particular segment of DNA is copied into RNA by the enzyme RNA polymerase. This RNA polymerase acts on the DNA strand. So we can say that this is DNA dependent RNA polymerase which catalyzes polymerization from 5' to 3' direction. This is the template strand, and this is the mRNA, which is messenger RNA produced in complementation to the template strand. This template strand is transcribed to mRNA. You can see this strand is complementary to the coding strand, but it is same as the template strand. Instead of T, we have uracil over here. You can see adenine is placed as adenine over here, guanine as guanine, cytosine as cytosine, thymine is uracil over here because it is RNA, and this strand is complementary to the coding strand. You can see in this picture the promoter region is defined as the upstream and the terminator region is defined as the downstream, and over here the RNA coding takes place. This is the structural gene, and the transcription of DNA to RNA occurs from 5' to 3' direction. One more thing, the transcription occurs in 3 basic steps. First is initiation, second is elongation, and third is termination. The part 2 of transcription will be done in next class. Thank you. Thank you.